Okay, it's Monday, the 24th of June. Showing you a bigger, wider angle of the radar. Here's Pennsylvania. Here's this front that came through that did some damage, had some strong winds, and coming through a lot of reports of wind damage with these storms and stuff. So they've cleared, they're gone, and the cooler air has come in. Unfortunately, wind has been an issue today. Let's see here if we can bring this up. Wind has been an issue. This strong wind here moved. You can see this is this. I'll move it back a little bit, but you had 40-mile-an-hour plus winds blowing through eastern PA and in New Jersey, and now it's starting to move off. Here's around. This is around 6 o'clock a little while ago, and you can see some strong gusts in the Poconos up here, upwards towards 50 mile an hour. So yeah, there was a lot of damage. I saw trees down and a lot of branches all over the place. As you see it as we go overnight, this is around 10 o'clock tonight, it's beginning to die down and move off the coast, but the winds will be ending then, and then you have the next front coming in from the west. And here's Tuesday. As you can see, 70s out in western PA through the higher elevations. This I-95 corridor here in New Jersey, you can see temperatures mid to upper 80s beginning to warm up. It was a short-lived cooling off on Monday, and we move this ahead overnight on Tuesday into Wednesday. Let's see, it's getting here. You can see temperatures drop into the 60s and low 70s in a lot of areas. A little uncomfortable in Jersey and southeastern PA, but even out by Pittsburgh, it's a little warm. But elsewhere, it's probably window weather. And then as we get into Wednesday, there you go. It's heating up again, back to the 90s. As you can see, let's see here. Zoom it in, you can see Jersey, Philly 90s, Delaware 90s, starting to warm back up again into the 90s. It's not going to be a long heat wave, but I'll show you as we get into, let's see if we can make this work. We get into Thursday. You can see this is Thursday night, Wednesday night into Thursday, I should say. And you can see temperatures drop into the 50s, and some of these areas, even out here in Jersey, here in Pennsylvania, they start to get down to where they could open the windows back up again. And as we, whoop, oh, I had it right there. Man, I'll tell you, these things change. Okay, what I was trying to show you is here's Wednesday. Temperatures back down into the 80s again. Still warm. Maybe around Philadelphia you can get close to 90. But elsewhere you can see pretty comfortable daytime temperatures back here. Even low 80s is comfortable. Sorry, this is summertime. You can't beat it. Down at the shore, you still got some great weather. This is a great shore weather. This has been a nice stretch of been going down there. It's basically, except for those thunderstorms, it's been dry. And see, these temperatures are nice out here. And I think last week I mentioned temperatures in the waters were 70. It's a little bit below 70 right now. It's like 68 or something like that. So I mean, it's still not bad. I mean, you go to the shore. You know what? I always notice kids don't care what the temperature is. They'll go in the water if it's 50 degrees. Adults kind of like, oh, it's too cold. So yeah, so that's what's going on there. So we're gonna have one really hot day in eastern PA. Jersey and Delaware, and then kind of back down to where summer should be. All right, this has been Fred. You take it easy. I will be back on here tomorrow afternoon, and we're going to go live at some point this week, and I will let you know. I'll try to decide tomorrow when I've got time between work and everything to do it. We'll go live. We'll talk about winter because there's some interesting data coming out for the winter. It's still too early to read it, but you can draw some conclusions. So we'll see what happens. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe out there.